Doctors at Northwell Health say gun violence is a public health crisis. That's why they created the Center for Gun Violence Prevention and continue to bring parents who lost their kids to gun violence together.
It's unfortunate that I'm a survivor of gun violence 3 times.
Sinead Johnson lost her 17-year-old son, Kendrick Morrow, in May of 2010. He was shot and killed at a graduation party in Queens and was just a week away from graduating high school.
I do get frustrated around Kendrick's tragic anniversary of his death, his birthdays, but I can't give up. I have 3 surviving sons. I can't.
Linda Beagle Schulman's son was a teacher and cross-country coach who lost his life during the Parkland mass shooting in Florida back in 2018.
He was shot 6 times within 3 seconds from 5 feet away. I can't believe that we're still here today, the same as we were back then, 1,589 days ago, and we have not passed federal legislation so that this can stop.
Those were just some of the voices of parents who lost children to gun violence, who spoke at Northwell's Center for Gun Violence Prevention event in New Hyde Park Tuesday.
You think of the physical harm that is done as a result of gun violence, they end up in our facilities. You think of the mental health issues, the behavioral health issues that are resulting from all of this, they end up in our facilities.
Doctors at Northwell Health say gun violence continues to be a public health crisis.
Healthcare organizations have an obligation and a responsibility.
Back in April, a Northwell employee was shot and killed in a medical office parking garage on Long Island. And officials say there have been other gun-related incidents at its hospital facilities.
I raise the question, why isn't something being done to take more guns off the street?
And that's the question a grieving families, many who have turned their pain to purpose through advocating, say they continue to ask. They say every time they hear about another shooting or another young life lost to gun violence, they relive their own loss.
We're failing our children.
Those of them who will not vote for federal legislation, I think they should go with the families and they should identify the bodies of their loved ones and see what it's really like.
And as gun safety legislation continues to be debated, families, grieving families, say they will continue to fight for stronger gun laws. In New Hyde Park on Long Island, Jennifer Bisram, Pix 11 News.